snow walk. We're going to Fairlop today. I had a bit of an issue with my tracks today when the springs have come loose. I'll just show you where we're walking first. To get a train to the next stop and then we're going to walk it back just to see a bit of snow route. I'll show you the issue we've got. We've got the tracks. One of the springs has come out. So I just hope it doesn't mess up the whole entire track shoe. It's snowed a bit more now on the roads, you noticed. So yes, we're on our way to Fairlop. So it's like that. It's a bit cold holding the camera. Can't believe that's happened with my tracks. It's the first time it's happened. And I haven't got no soldering iron at home either. So it doesn't help. So be careful. I got it caught in a carpet. That's what it was. I went to one of the shops and I got caught in front of the freaking carpets. How annoying. I'll have to sort that out when I get back now. There's nothing much I can do about that. Anyway, let's make our way to the station. Let's check the snowy platform. It's going to be interesting to check some snow trains, eh? Two minutes wait leaves. Snow trains. Let's get on our snow train. This is our snow train. Look at the snowflakes falling down. One stop. How long have we got? 2 minutes. I just want to get some pictures with the train before we get on it. So walking a bit quicker before we go. Because snow and trains look awesome. If this one to leave, our driver's just getting on the looks of it. He's got his cup of tea in his hand. Nice view to see, isn't it, guys? I'll wait for a train to leave. It's only one stop. I want to get this journey video for you for the train.
This is Hainault. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
It's nice to see some snow. It looks like further up on our journey.
This is a Central Line train to White City.
This train's your next Ealing Broadway service. Stand clear now. Doors are closing.
Right, I'm standing up just to get this video for you. There's no need to sit down. I just want to balance myself. Right, just lean against the window. Be a lot easier. That's it. Snow video. We're getting a snow train. Hope to do a night one tomorrow. How nice can you get? I don't know where we're going. We should turn around. So see a rail track here, that's it. Look at the view. Look at the wonderful view of the fields. All the houses. Lovely. It's a nice panoramic view though. Actually these windows are not so thingy actually, this way. Which windows are clear? Because most of them are all dirty. Sorry making you dizzy, guys.
The next station is Fairlop. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Hold tight, I know. Right, we're getting off here. A lot of snow on this platform. I'll walk up a bit and get some pictures on the platform before I leave the train station. See the train leaving as well. You get a picture of the train leaving as well. But get snow. Where's this? I know we're going the wrong way. This is towards the snow bit. Right. Let's see it leaving. How beautiful can you get? Yeah, I'll just get some nice pictures in the snow of the train station. Because why not? I'll see you outside in a minute. Okay.
Our staff can give you more information, but please remember to keep a safe distance.
She doesn't know one at this platform. No, it's so empty. Scarce. One in the old booths here at the station. Old doors. I'll show you, it's a Victorian station, by the way.
Information.
Oh.
The government's guidance requires everyone to stay at home.
Oh.
Digital services continue to run for those who need to travel for legally permitted reasons.
We can go out for exercise.
Details, visit tfl.gov.uk/coronavirus.
We're going out to feed the ducks anyway. Because they need feeding, don't they? I've got no food. And I thought I had some food at home. Don't want to use it. I was going to chuck it. So I thought, nah. No point wasting it. Let's get it for the ducks. They need it more than us. It says me wasting food, innit? Anyway, off we go. Out to the station. Be careful, these stairs are quite narrow. Very narrow. I just sort my tracks out when I get back home so I don't ruin them for the next day. They're awkward to get on my boots, you know. You need quite a bit of strength to get them round. Oh, get in there. Right, here's the exit. There we go it now. Just missed the train, didn't we? Alright. Thank you. Let me put the oyster away. What's crows doing here? Let me put my oyster away and get to Fairlop. Post box here in the snow. Very iconic. Let's cross the road now. Vlogging in the snow, I haven't realised how cold it was. Not today. No golf balls today. I like this. I like this little post box. Share your thoughts of Fairlop waters. Awesome. There's a golf course just here. We're making our way. We don't have to wear masks, but they come in handy today. Well, it's not a mask, technically. Well, it is a mask. In a way, just something wrapped around my face. One of those masks. No, it's coming handy today because, oh, it keeps the snow out. I do it in the winter anyway. So wearing a mask in the winter is like a normal thing to do, isn't it, really? Yeah. I normally do it anyway. You see it in my videos. Even before this madness started, you see me wear a bandana across my face. So you know I'm used to it. If you're fed up with wearing a mask, literally just fed up, wear a bandana. Or wear a scarf around your face. Or one of those all-in-one head woman things you go over your head. Seeing that people wear different ones, not just a mask. Says it going around your ears. It's go around your neck, tie it up, it's easier, it's not easier. It's less aggravating for a start. Yeah. It's lovely, it's snowing though. I don't know if you can see it on camera. But it's white fluffy kites, white fluffy snows. I noticed I've been filming it, taking pictures of it when it's coming down. There's like little bits of snow, flakes, crystallised. Yeah. You can see a slideshow of that. Oh, trying to get as many as I can, while I can. It's cold to take a picture of them though, so it's finding the right time to do it. But yeah, we're in Fairlop. We're not in Fairlop yet. We're sort of on the edge, walking on the side bit. We'll see when we're a bit further inside Fairlop, so you can see a bit more. From here, it looks like the lake is not frozen solid, so it's not that cold. It's cold, but not cold. Cold. Just the white of the snow. Look at that. Oh. I feel warm, quite a bit warm actually. I thought it'd be bittery, icy, nasty, cold, but it's quite alright. It's not so bad. We're going to get close to the lake and feed the ducks, and hopefully they appreciate what we got them. Got some rice crackers for them. We didn't fancy them, we got too many. Crunched them all up for them anyway, bashed them all up, so they're easy to eat. Let's get closer to the lake. As you can see, the lake is not, there's ducks here, well, some more ducks over in. But as you can see, the lake is not frozen. But it's nice and picturesque though. What do you think? Let's walk further up and get some ducks. They're eating all the food now, I just gave them. They're very pleased. Don't get too close, mate. Don't forget to finish it all. Look at these beautiful swans. They're turning into adults soon. They're losing their colour. Don't you get too close, mate. Look how beautiful these swans are. Put the food down here, the gulls. Here the gulls. The food is still on the floor, so they come swooping round. I should have saved it. The snow's still coming down. You get too close, mate. Don't think about it. Nothing, I've got nothing. Go. Leave it. Gulls, because I like the gulls. Red birds. There they fly. Off they go. Lovely birds they are. Let's see where you're going, guys. It's freezing in there. So you can stand it, guys. It's freezing. Now I'm going to take the walk back now. I'm going to find a crossing to cross first. There's one just up there. If I walk on the grass, it's nice and soft and bumpy and awkward. I had not realised. Oh, I don't know what I'm walking on. It feels like this ground's pushing up and knocking you out. It feels weird. It's like bumps. It's too cold to make a snowman. It's too cold to vlog. I'm not wearing gloves. I'm not one of those people that wear gloves. Anyway. But I only wear gloves if it gets seriously cold. Which it isn't at the moment. Right, let's get across the road first. There's a farm shop here. On my journeys. Excuse to go in there, innit? There's not much snow on this side. There's more snow on the right hand side, there's less snow on the left hand side. The reason being is they put the grit on the floor. There's no grit. Because I can feel it. I can feel the grit. And like the salt. That's like it's all melted on the pavements and that. Alright, let's go up further up and I'll catch you when there's some snow. Where you haven't got no grit. There we are, back with the snow. Lovely. It's gonna come up to a field. There might be people on that. It snowballs. Or snow fights. Look at that. Nice and snowy. It's nice and smooth when you walk in these bits. Look at that. Oh, I see so much snow in here. All untouched. All untouched. It's nice to go on untouched now. Smooth. At the moment I'm walking on concrete. Just when I touch the top of the snow it feels great. Smooth. But it's not smooth at the moment. But it's nice snowy. Look at how much snow there is when the road's untouched with the salt and that. The field is to our right. There's just a few people on the field. A dog. People playing football. Is it really? No stone bullfights. Bit too bitterly cold for that. Oh, keep hitting rocks. When you're walking in the snow, you never know what you're hitting. That's up for grass. Soft. When you're walking on ground like this, it's concrete, you never know what you're going to hit. You know? You can't see what's underneath the snow. You could hit yourself a rock or something, you know, innit? Risk to take. Oh. It's a nice walk though, I'll give you that. It's beautiful. It's not, oh, didn't sound good whatever it was. I'll stop filming to go further up. So I'll keep my hands on this way. The scenery's nice. Hope to do a train one. Hope snow stays around a bit. So I get to do a train one. Oh, the views are picturesque. Oh, look at that. It's not thick enough yet, but I reckon it'll be more snow tonight because it's been coming down all day. On and off. So I reckon by tonight when no one's about it'll be yeah. Oh, here they have Ilford Wanderers Rugby Club here. Ilford Wanderers Rugby Club. Alright. See you in a bit guys, otherwise you've got that long path to look at. Ilford Wanderers Rugby Club. And the playing field here. And we're coming out here onto the house estate. The view here is nice actually. Look at that picturesque view. With the snow. See where people have been walking and people have been driving. It's awesome view. I'm not going out straight away to the main road. I want to make the most of the scenery because look at this. How picturesque can you get? Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? I want to show you a bit of English country life. I'm just a bit further up because someone's got out of the car. I might do another walk at night actually. If I'm up for it, that is. Well, today I managed to do the bus one, the snow one. You might see it on separate days though. Managed to do this one. If you see a night one, you know I've done it all in one day. Spread it out. Oh, it's nice to see a bird. How cute. He's in that tree, look. Oh, it's a great tit. Right in that tree, right there. Just there. I don't think you can see him. Where is he? He's just there. There somewhere. Just there. Just there with fun from it. It's a great tit. cool is that? Just in a great tit. It's nice here because it's all snowy. Beautiful views, isn't it? You wonder why snow in the UK is in a different month. We normally have it around December time, Christmassy, November, December. It's because people say climate change. No, it's because the poles are shifting. Basically, the Earth is tipping on its axis. So some countries that used to be getting cold are getting warmer now. Like UK, our summers are more extreme than they used to be, and they're going to continue that way. Yeah. So eventually, somewhere on this planet will be definitely be somewhere else. But yeah, it's the way the Earth's tipping. Is just things are changing. You've got to adapt to the changes. Fascinating, though. But UK's used to snow anyway because we've had it years ago. I don't know why we're not used to it now. It's ridiculous. My hands are getting very cold. Oh, I like there's a lot of snow here. Let's walk down here. I'm surprised. Oh, it's been a while. I remember it used to snow quite a lot in my younger days. Oh, if I had a camera back then, that would have been pretty epic, wouldn't it? Oh, I wasn't rich enough to have a camera back then. Despite my surname's Rich. But it's nice to walk in the snow though. It's nice. But it's cold but it's really cold vlogging in the snow. I'm going to stop it before I get to the main road because it's going to get a bit boring. Got to get milk on the way back. Got to remember that. I'm trying to get, my mum's trying to go shopping today, get all the food that she can, so she don't have to come out in the snow. Because otherwise it's got to push her around in the wheelchair in the snow. Can you imagine that? Awkward. Yeah, so guys, I'll leave you now. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed this little snow journey. I might video back in a minute. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time. I found a path that's nice and quiet. Apart from your vehicle behind me. It's peaceful. How beautiful and how quiet and how elegant. See you soon.